Ready? Hey guys, this is Chance and I'm a master artist here at Elite Permanent Makeup, and I'm here to talk to you today about #1 rookie mistakes that we make when we're doing lip blushing. Now, when you're first starting lip blushing, one of the scariest things to accomplish is the outline on the circumference of the lips. Now, when I first started, I always wanted to make sure that my outside line was so crisp and clean. And you know, I would always be so surprised after I would numb, I would come back and my outer perimeter would be so defined and so dark that it made it so difficult for me to blend the outer perimeter of my lips with the lip blushing in the center of the lips. Now, I'm gonna tell you how to make sure that doesn't happen. So when you're doing your outer perimeter, which should be the first step that you do after you do your pre-draw, you're gonna always make sure that you're really stretching your skin as tight as you can. And you wanna just apply enough pressure to where you know that the line is going to be there after you wipe it away. Now, once you wipe it away and you can see it just a little bit, stop. You've done enough. Finish your outline, make sure it's not too pigmented and too dark and defined, because once you numb with our secondary numbing gel, what's gonna happen is that outer perimeter is going to oxidize. So when it oxidizes, 9 times out of 10, when you come back after numbing, that outer perimeter is gonna be a little bit more defined and a little bit darker. Now, if you spent way too much time really carving out those edges before you put the numbing gel on, when you come back, you're gonna be shocked because the outer perimeter is gonna be way too dark for you to be able to naturally blend the rest of your lip blushing with the outer perimeter. Just do enough to where you can barely see it, and then you've done enough. Numb it, and then I promise you, when you come back to it, it's gonna be the perfect amount of density on that outer perimeter. Then all you have to do is finish your lip blushing, and it's all gonna look so nice and cohesive to the point where it's gonna look very natural. Now, I'm telling you, that was my #1 mistake when I first started out as a permanent makeup artist. And I will stand by this trick until the day I die, trust me. Just do enough to where you can barely see it, and then it's gonna be smooth sailing from there. And if you have any questions, just DM us and I'll make sure I can explain better for you.
That was perfect. The problem is it's too long.
Yeah?
That makes it to like 3 minutes.
It's 3 minutes.
Yeah. You have to make it like less than a minute and a half maximum.
Okay.
But I can use